Mr. Prasanth Kumar, hearty congratulations on securing AIR rank 6 in environmental science in GATE 2022.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Mr. Prasanth, you tell us what coaching program that you have taken from our AS Engineering Academy for your GATE examination.
I have taken my online test series for GATE and EAC from AS Academy.
Okay, right.
Academy in 2022.
Okay, right. Our AS test series, you might have taken the civil engineering branch.
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
For prelims and GATE both.
Yeah, you have taken civil engineering branch, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Of course, in environmental science and civil engineering, there is some syllabus which is common for GATE examination, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What extra syllabus is there in the environmental science to crack the GATE examination compared to civil engineering?
So compared to civil engineering, in environmental science, GATE syllabus around 60 to 70% are from civil engineering, and to crack environmental science, we have to do 20 to 30% extra, which includes like solid waste management rules, biomedical rules, and we have to also study deeper like solid waste management and so on. And
Yeah.
and the same syllabus like you have to as of civil engineering is fluid mechanics, some parts of soil mechanics, and and liquid waste are same.
No, I'm just asking that extra syllabus only. I'm asking what extra you have to study in environmental science. You said solid waste management, and then?
Sir, extra rules which are published in 2016, like solid waste management rule 2016, biomedical waste biomedical waste management rule 2016, and hazardous waste, in which we study like Basel conventions, import and export, permissible limits. These are the extra syllabus we have to study.
Okay. Done, Prashant. I understand. Have you taken GATE examination in civil engineering also?
Sir, I have filled my um, I have filled form for the GATE 2022 in civil engineering, but on the same date, I have presentation for the thesis in MTech, so I was not able to do that. But I have practiced a lots of test series for that.
So you have given the GATE examination this year, environmental science only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Sir,
you tell
in GATE
us. Okay, right. We understand, Prashant.
In GATE in environmental science, and I have given some prelims in civil engineering this year.
Engineering services. Okay, that's fine.
Yes, sir.
Please tell us about your educational background.
Sir, I have done my schooling from my home district itself.
No,
After
schooling
that,
not
I have
necessary for me.
completed.
Prashant, please understand.
Yes, sir. After
Schooling is
yes,
not
sir.
necessary. You tell us your BTech, when did you pass out your BTech, and presently what you are doing.
Yes, sir. I have done my BTech in civil engineering from NIT Kurukshetra in 2019. After that, in 2020, I have joined IIT Delhi in environmental engineering, and currently I am in final semester.
Okay, that is interesting, Mr. Prashant. You are already pursuing MTech in IIT Delhi Environment Engineering.
Yes, sir.
You are about to complete your MTech degree. Again, why you have taken the GATE examination in environmental science? Any reason for that?
Sir, for the environmental, this is the second year. It was started by the IIT Bombay in 2021. In that year, I have not failed because I was already in the environmental science MTech in IIT Delhi. But previous year, I have seen um, 3 PSU were recruiting from environmental science like Coal India Limited, CIL, BIS, and ONGC, and the eligibility criteria were like either you have to be in BTech, either you have done your BTech in environmental science, or you have done BTech in any stream, but you should have a degree in MTech in environmental science. So I have filled this year so that I will get some edge.
Okay, Prashant. No, आप बोले थे 3 PSUs vacancies are there for environmental science. दो नाम already बताए थे आप. One is Coal India Limited, other one is ONGC. दूसरा क्या है? और एक
third one is BIS, sir.
Bureau of Indian Standards.
Indian Standards.
Bureau of Indian
Yes, sir.
Standards. So in these three
Yes, sir,
PhDs,
vacancies
there are
are there.
vacancies. There are vacancies exclusively for environmental science.
Yes.
Some vacancies.
Yes, sir.
So you want to
Yes.
join that?
Yes, sir. I will try my best to join.
Okay, okay. That's why you have given this GATE exam environmental science.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Well, I understand. I understand, Mr. Prasanth. Right? You are more interested to take up some PSC job, particularly with regard to this environmental angle, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So you gave GATE exam in 2020 also, right? Before joining MTech.
Yes. Yes, sir.
That time you have taken the GATE exam with civil engineering paper, hopefully.
Yes, sir. I have taken.
What was your
civil
rank in that year, 2020?
Sir, in that year, sir, it was 456.
456. Okay, Prashant, can you compare GATE paper what you saw in 2020 in civil engineering and the GATE paper in environmental sciences this year? Can you compare and tell us some differences, if at all you noticed there?
Yes, सर इन्वायरमेंटल में सर ज़्यादातर थ्योरी पोर्शन ज़्यादा है क्योंकि सर और जो न्यूमेरिकल पोर्शन होते हैं वो मोस्टली सिविल ब्रांच से ही होते हैं और जो थ्योरेटिकल पोर्शन होते हैं वो सर इन्वायरमेंटल ब्रांच से होते हैं तो सर दोनों सर मतलब 60% theory and 40% theoretical.
Right. So compared to civil engineering, in environmental science, you find relatively more theoretical questions, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
वही बोला चाहिए ना आप, right?
Yes, yes.
Right. Okay, Prashant. See, you got all in rank 6. What was your score in the environmental science paper this year?
894.
894.
GATE score and GATE marks is 64.63.
64.6 marks and score is 800?
94.
894 score. Okay, good, Prashant. Prashant, you please tell us, while doing your MTech in IIT Delhi, how you used to spend time for this GATE preparation as well as this engineering series preparation simultaneously along with your academics?
Yes, sir.
कैसा करे?
I do, sir. Yes, sir. I do for preparation for GATE and ESC in the daytime, and in the night time, approximately 8 to 12. I do work for my academic.
Okay, right. So you please tell us how this online test series helped you in getting such a good rank in the GATE examination.
Sir, GATE AIR6 test series has helped very much. Like, sir, in the starting when I gave a test of the AIR series, I find 2 to 3 questions where I have not seen any time. But after sometimes I have realized that they are asking from the untouched area, which are already in the syllabus, but it has not asked in any papers. So after doing these questions, you are very comfortable in GATE. Okay,
right. How many tests you have taken in the test series from Yes Academy?
So I have done subject wise and full length test series for the GATE.
At what frequency you used to take this test, this mock test? At what frequency? Weekly or daily? Otherwise, alternate days? How?
Sir, so I from in the starting I have done previous year full length test series, and in January I gave daily full length test series of ACE for the GATE.
Okay, where you used to stand in the test series rank wise?
Sir, 10 to 50, sir. I've never ever.
So you used to be in the top 10 to 15, right?
Yes, yes, sir. Sometimes in the top 5 also.
Top 5 also. Very good, Prashant. Prashant, have you prepared any specific notes also for this GATE examination?
Yes, yes. I have prepared
the short
notes.
What kind of notes?
Sir, I have 2 notes, sir. One short notes and one full length.
Okay.
Full length notes.
So short notes में क्या है आपके short notes में?
Like, sir, important formulas, important concepts. or some new concepts which I get from the test series. That's I wrote on that.
Okay. So for on an average for a subject, how many pages you used to maintain there in the short notes?
So
Approximately.
it depends. It depends on subjects. Like if it is a smaller subject, then it will be in 2 to 3 page. But
Okay.
in larger subjects like environment, fluid mechanics, it will go at around 8 to 10 pages.
Okay. ठीक है,
So
Prashant.
because these are theoretical, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay, Prashant. Okay, then how did you make this preparation in the last 1 week of time before the GATE examination?
So in the last week, I have given I had given full length test series and done, and in the age test series we get an extra options, like those questions I was mistaken in the test series. There is a extra options on which we can go and do that questions. So I have done those questions and given test series.
So in the last week, 1 week of time,
Yes, sir.
apart from regular revision also, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And what was your strategy in the actual GATE examination? 3 hours,
Yes, sir.
65 questions. How did you plan? Did you go with any specific strategy?
Yes, sir. So I have done like maths and aptitude in the first go, and it has completed in around 20 to 30 minutes. So it was very easy. Then I I I solved the smaller questions. Um, I have not read, sir, month 10 to 15 lines questions in the first go. I have done the smaller questions, and in the second half I have done the larger questions or the questions I have left previous.
Okay, good. So that was your strategy. So in the beginning,
Yes,
you
sir.
have done your aptitude, mathematics.
Yes, aptitude.
Then you took the technical questions, which are small questions, right?
Yes,
That is, let us say,
yes, yes,
second round. In the third round, you went on attempting that lengthy questions, isn't it?
yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, I have done MSQ question in the second attempt also.
second attempt.
So it
Okay,
was,
right.
yes,
So
it was
approximately
also very easy.
how many MSQs were there in your environmental science paper?
So it was around 13 to 15, sir. It was very high.
13 to 15.
Yes, sir. And all are from like codes I have mentioned in the previous, like solid waste management,
Okay.
biomedical waste.
Hmm.
All are from there, sir.
Mhm. So did you find any difficulty while answering these MSQs compared to other questions?
Yes, sir. Sir, if you have read that rules book at least twice or thrice, then it is very easy. But for civil engineers who which is not in the syllabus of for civil engineers, then they should read at least twice. Then it will very easy for them also.
Mhm. Okay, right. What you have to read there? What you have to read?
Sir, rule book is around 10 to 15 pages. So you have to
Okay.
read, sir, the duties of um, district managers, duty of pollution control board,
Mm.
and the permissible limits, import and exports criteria,
Mm.
etc. Sir.
Okay. Where did you find that material with you?
So it is on CPCB sites, Central Pollution Control Board sites.
So that is there is any website for that?
So
No, suppose there are some let us say some juniors GATE aspirants who want to take the GATE exam in environmental science, and suppose they want to
yes, sir.
they want to download this material.
Yes.
Can you please tell
So
the students the source of
sir,
this material?
if you search on the Google like the solid waste management rule 2016, then it will come, and it is free of cost, sir. You can download, sir.
Hmm. What is that the source website? Website? Do you remember website?
Solid waste management, sir. CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board official
Central.
website.
Can you elaborate?
Po-
Central
Pollution Control Board, CPCB.
Central Pollution Control Board.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
So they have framed certain rules and regulations there.
Yes, sir.
You mean to say those rules are useful for the examination in environmental science?
Yes, sir. From that three rules, you can expect, sir, at around 10 to 15 questions. or
Okay.
all are from the like MSQ, sir. So if you
Okay.
have not read that, then you are losing, sir, that 10 or 15 questions.
Okay, that is a good point, Prashant. I think the
Yes,
GATE aspirants who want to take the GATE exam in environmental science, I think they
yes,
find this point particularly very useful. So there were some questions on this, right? You said so. This is one of the area, right?
yes,
And apart from these
yes.
rules, did you refer to any other textbook also additionally?
Yes, sir. I have taken, sir, PV and Row book, which is helpful for doing MTech. So
Yeah,
during that
PV
my
and Row, I know
MTech, I
that
have
is
prepared.
a good book on environment engineering, right?
Yes, sir. I have read from there.
Yeah. Anything else apart from that?
So in environmental science, there is in syllabus there is environmental impact and assessment, which is also not in the syllabus of GATE civil engineering, but it is in the syllabus of engineering service. So if anyone is preparing so especially for the GATE environmental engineering and not EAC for the civil engineering, then they have to read some environmental impact assessment topic also, sir.
Environment
So
impact
we can
assessment,
expect.
EIA, right?
Yes, sir.
EIA.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
what is
Sir, in 2022, sir, there were two questions from there, sir.
okay? So when I'm asking that the source of that material that's also available in the website.
Sir, EIA I have taken from the, sir, PBN row. That's only.
PV
So
and Row
they are
textbook.
asking basic. Yes, sir. They are only asking basic questions, sir.
Achha,
There.
right, right. Okay, right. Because students ask us the source of this material. That's why I'm asking specifically. So that
Yes,
environment
sir.
impact assessment related areas you have taken from the textbook of PV and Row, right?
Yes, sir.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Prashant, I think these points will be very, very useful for the GATE aspirants, so especially in this environmental science paper. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Prashant, what do you suggest for the civil engineering students, whether to take, apart from civil engineering, one more GATE paper that is a minor paper in the environmental science or not necessary? What do you say? What is your suggestion in this regard?
Sir, I can say to the senior juniors that you should give at least this paper because this exams done before the gate papers, so you can get an um, extra age of doing gate, and or if you are and there is very less um, PSU for the environmental engineering, but yes, you can get age if you are under 100.
No, you didn't tell specifically, Prashant. I didn't catch the point. Do you suggest the aspirants to take environmental science also apart from civil engineering paper?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
if
What
they
is the
are
advantage?
interested,
What is
that
the
then
advantage?
they should.
What is the advantage if you take environmental science also additionally? What is the advantage?
So you can get a MTech admission in IITs because they are taking admission through the environmental gate score also, and they
But
can also.
please tell.
Yes, sir. They can also apply for the PSU, but terms and conditions that they should have MTech in environmental engineering before applying the PSU. So they are eligible only for the taking gate
Get
taking
MTech admission, right?
MTech.
But
Yes,
to
sir.
join MTech in environmental engineering in IITs,
Yes,
you
sir.
should have either GATE paper in environmental science or even a civil engineering also sufficient there.
Yes, sir. Civil engineering is sufficient, but say if you want to do, sir, give then
So
this
this
is
will
also
act
possible.
like a standby, isn't it?
Yes, sir. And sir, it is easy to get good marks in environmental science.
Okay, right. So in case something goes
Yes, sir.
wrong in our civil engineering paper, right? If you can score good
Yes,
in
sir.
the environmental science, this will be helpful to take admission in MTech environment engineering, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
There's advantage if you take this paper. Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
But the 30 to 25 to 30 extra syllabus is there that you have to study additionally if you want to take this exam.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Good, Prashant. Apart from these points, do you want to give any more tips to these aspirants of the GATE examination? Please tell from your experience any extra tips. Those students
For the gate,
will be useful to students to crack the examination.
yes. For gate, you have to do, sir, very much practice because it needs um, more practice for the questions, and you should give at least 10 mock tests before giving final exam.
Okay, you mean to say that
And
you need to have good practice of this question bank, and at least a 10 mock test you have to give.
yes, sir.
Right. Okay, Prashant. Thank you so much for sharing your valuable tips through this interview. I think some of the points, especially with regard to the environmental science, what you give some inputs, etc. I think those points will be very useful for the GATE aspirants who want to take GATE exam in environmental science paper. I once again congratulate you on behalf of ACE Engineering Academy and wish you all good luck in all your future attempts.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. God bless you, Prashant.
Okay, thank you, sir.